What are we gonna do?
Cut the exhaust off on the e34 today.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
We're gonna cut that out. We gotta stay back. Is it loud, Dad?
I don't know. Let's find out.
Any second now.
Support a little bit more.
Got it?
A little bit more support.
Did you make progress?
I did. I cut one pipe through.
Nice. What pipe? Oh, those.
First one.
Oh, those ones over there. See if I can get it.
I got it. I got it, buddy.
Excited. Let's start it?
No, yeah. Let's get it down. Come over here. Record this.
Okay.
Uh,
Whoa! Yo! Wow! That thing's huge, Dad! Yo! Put it in the garage. Yeah, put it in my truck.
I'll put it right here for now.
Okay.
Okay. Keep
Oh,
going.
it's tiring. And I only did this for like 30 seconds. Dad! That's amazing! Dad, it started smoking so bad. Yeah. That's amazing. That smells so good. It smells like grape juice for some reason. Okay, that's it. Ready? Bye. Faster! Yeah, it wasn't too loud on there because you can slow.